So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. I'm going to show you a few things that you can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It will then boot you back into Windows, and then hopefully that will fix your problem. If that did not work, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have a restore point available on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. If you don't have one, you want to click on Cancel. For the next method, click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on Enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter. And now for the last one, you want to type in bootrec /rebuild BCD. Click on Enter again. We can now close out of this. And now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.